with another video. I'm just getting off work. I received a requested order from a customer. So I'm going on my way to go pick up the requested order. And also, this might be part 2 to go along with the video that I put out on yesterday, the day before yesterday. I don't know when I'm gonna put that out, but I'm finally able to deliver. Hold for a second. I'm finally able to deliver the customer, the new Poplin customer at that, who credit card declined the payment. So I had to hold on to her laundry until the credit card had cleared. So after I pick up my requested order, we're gonna be on our way to finally drop off her laundry order, which I wanted to do early this morning. But since I had to hold on to it because her credit card didn't go through. So we're about to go do that now. So let's go pick up this requested order. It's a husband and a wife. And 99%, I'm gonna say 95% of the time, you don't even meet the customers. And most of my customers are returning customers, and you don't meet them because, like I said, all you do is just put the laundry out, we pick it up, and we put it back out at the same designated spot where they put it, where we received it from. And this person always gives me a tip. So after that, going home, make me some dinner, light dinner, probably leftover soup and some grilled cheese, and take me a nap because I was up all night doing that laundry. I am so sleepy. I was sleepy at work, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go get this laundry and stop talking because I can just feel myself just babbling on now. We just got another business. It said pick up tomorrow. We just got another requested order. It said customer is the business, but I think this is the customer who they live behind a business. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and pick theirs up today. Okay, guys, we're about to go drop off the laundry order,
then turn left to stay on Santable Circle,
which is 19 minutes away. And then we're gonna pick up the second requested order. Let's go. Guys, I thought the second requested order was the other order I had where the person lived behind the bar, but it's not. It's the Airbnb. I'm all confused. So that's where we going now to pick up that. Only thing
northeast, then turn right.
About that, last time I had a hard time getting in that door. All right, so let's go. I'm gonna read the notes. Dirty laundry in the garage. Tenant at house leaving 11 in the morning. Next tenant coming 3 p.m. tomorrow. But you can pick up anytime 9 to 6. Okay, let's go. With this client, they changed the details of what's going on every time I pick up their laundry. So someone's leaving leaving in the morning by 11, and then they got someone else coming in tomorrow at 3. That's kind of close to me. Taking a chance. That's real close. Because you didn't know if I was going to be able to pick up that laundry today. Because it did say I can pick it up tomorrow morning, and have it back Tuesday. So, anyway, since we out, we're going to go ahead and get this laundry. Let's go. Okay guys, laundry has been picked up. I struggled a little bit with the lock, but not as much as I did last time I was here. So, and she has a lot of laundry. Let's get out of this driveway. She has a lot of laundry, but I'm so sleepy. But the good thing is I'm off tomorrow, and my doctor's appointment is not until I believe 4 o'clock. Yeah, I think sorry, the sun is out. But I believe my doctor's appointment is not until 4 o'clock. So I can rest. I'm not going to do any spark tomorrow, I don't believe. I'm just going to do this laundry tonight and deliver it, and I can sleep. That's the main thing, because I was so sleepy at work for being up all night long doing that laundry. But we're on a debt cancellation journey, and I have 2.5 more years to pay on my vehicle, but my goal is to knock a year off. Actually, I want to have it by December of this year, 2025. I want to only have no more than 5 or 6 payments due on my car. So all my spark, as I stated in another video, all my spark money is going to go to, God, I'm so sorry guys, this sun is out. The majority of all my spark money, not spark, my Poplin, I'm sorry, my Poplin laundry money is going to go directly to my car note. So that's the goal, and sometime I may have to use it for something else, but the majority of it is going to go to wipe out this car debt. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead, and because you can't even see me, I'll be back when I got the sun. Okay guys, the sun, I'm out the sun, and I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. Like like I said, I just picked up 2 requested orders, and it's a lot. She said she had 4 bags, but she had 4 big hamper full of laundry. And it is a business, so the majority of it is just linen. So we're gonna go ahead and knock these orders out, and I'm gonna be able to give me some rest because I didn't get any last night. And I'm going to close out the video. You guys be blessed. Don't forget to like the video. Definitely comment if you have any questions, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.